The Ring Lord. Unique design of airflow. Over the top in an arch ring formation. Is it my precious? Let's find out. Back again, we're going to do a little review today of an RDA, a bargain RDA, $7.99 from eSig. One is the Hugsvape Ring Lord. So we're going to show you that today again, guys. There's the box. We'll go down the table, have a wee look, and we'll come back up and I'll tell you my thoughts. Okay folks, this is the Ring Lord RDA by Hugsvape. Got this from eSig, $7.99. I'll show you the box. I've not... This box is difficult to open, sorry. Give me a second. It's one of those ones you can't catch the sides of it. So, I'll show you in the box. Obviously a Ring Lord, I've been using it, so I've not got it back in the box or anything. It's on top of the edge of squonk here. Would be sitting in here, you get a spare glass. So there you go, take it out, the foam insert, you've got your spare glass there, which is great that they give you a spare glass. However, this is your little baggie with your O-rings and your spare screw. It's a 510 pin, which comes installed. I swapped it for the squonk pin obviously, because I'm going to be doing squonking, I'm using it for the squonking. One thing you don't get in this is a coil or cotton or anything to start you off, which I think is a bit shit. I think any RTA or RDA should have cotton or cotton coils just to start you off. It's not a problem for me, I have plenty of cotton, I have plenty of coils, but I just think that's a courtesy thing, isn't it, if you're going to buy an RDA or an RTA, that they put in something for you to get you started. So that's the box, which is the usual stuff round about it. Yeah, nice looking box, I suppose. Be nice for Christmas. And is that a Canadian leaf there, is it? And this is the back here, tells you what you get with it. Ring Lord RDA, 510 pin, extra glass cap, tri-tool screwdriver, which I have in my toolbox. It's just basically your average tri-tool screwdriver kit. Flathead screws, extra O-rings, user manual. Usual rubbish. And this is the Ring Lord here. Now I'm going to keep it on here, there's no point in me taking it off. It's basically just your average base with the 510 pin, or I've got the squonk pin in it. So that's your airflow. Your airflow will just move with the whole top cap. The whole top cap is one glass piece, as you can see, both sides. And this is the deck. Now, I'm not going to build on it. There's plenty of reviews out there, you'll see them building on it. It's pretty easy RDA to build on. Very, very, very simple. I've seen a lot of people say that, some reviewers have said that they struggled getting the coils in to start with. I didn't have that problem, I found it quite easy because you can put your coil legs either that way, both legs that way, or a leg that way and a leg this way. So it's very easy to build on. And these are the little airflow chimneys with the honeycomb airflow in there, as you can see. So the idea being that air goes in here, up here, into your chimney here, and it comes out these honeycomb parts there, holes there, and straight down onto your coil, which is in there. Now the juice well is not very big, but it's big enough. I'll tell you when we go back down, when I come back up, I'll tell you why. I think there's nothing wrong with the size of the juice well. A lot of people have complained about the size of the juice well being very small. For a big RDA like this, it is quite big. I mean, the difference with you'll see the difference with the it doesn't look actually, it looks about the same size there. If you put the top cap on though, you'll see the difference in size. With the top cap on, it adds quite a bit. It's quite thick glass. With the rebirth there. So we'll go back up and I'll tell you my thoughts on this. So that is the Ring Lord, the Hugsvape Ring Lord RDA. Single coil RDA. Quite a big single coil RDA. Quite a big deck on it. And that is how it's designed, as you can see with the arch and the air hitting the coil. As I said, people I've seen complaints that the juice well is not too big in here, and it may be, some of them are saying it's not good for squonking because the size of the juice well is not big enough, and it may be easy to over squonk it. I've found the exact opposite. I don't think it's easy to over squonk this. I think I've tried I'll show you, I've tried over squonking it. I'll show you how. I don't know if you'll see, but if you can see the juice through the little archway there. Now that's filling it up to there, and I've did that quite a few times, putting lots of juice in there, and I've never seen it come out the air holes. It's not coming out. Another good thing I like about it is the glass. The glass is brilliant. I love the idea of the glass. I love the idea of glass because when you're squonking you can see how much liquid you're putting in. Another reason why I don't think it'd be easy to over squonk this when you're filling it up. And the glass is always visible. The coil and your wick are always visible. I mean, I'll vape it. And there is vape in there. But as you can see, it's clear again. So you can always see it. The glass doesn't get too dirty, it's easily seen, and if it did get dirty, it's easily, take your top cap off, give it a wash. Very easy, on and off. I like this little RDA. For £7.99 from eSig1, I think it's a great little RDA. Now obviously I can't put the links here for the products as always. You need to go to skintvaper.com for all the links. Great wee RDA, I think it's fine. I reviewed the Rebirth RDA, that's my other RDA. I've just recently got into squonking and just recently bought my first RDAs. So I've reviewed the other Rebirth RDA, I've reviewed that with Aegis Squonk. Show you a link. There's a link up here if you want to go and watch that. That's a great little RDA. For £8, would I recommend this? Definitely. Definitely. I wish a lot of RDAs had this clear cap. Honestly, I think the idea is brilliant, especially for squonking. I think it's great for squonking. I can over squonk the Rebirth. It's not easy to over squonk the Rebirth, but I get too zealous and pressing the bottle a bit too hard for a bit too long. I can have it come out the airflow. But with this is brilliant. You can see it, so it's not going to happen. And for a beginner squonker, brilliant. The clear top cap is great, fantastic. The airflow and the flavour is not on par with the Rebirth. Definitely not on par with the Rebirth. And I'll tell you why, or my theory why. My theory on why this airflow doesn't work. On paper you'd probably think it would work, but for me, what I think is happening here is the air is going in here, in the air hole here, and it's coming up into this chimney, and it's supposed to go down and hit the coil from the chimney, the honeycomb airflow. It's supposed to go down and hit the coil all round. Now what I think's happening, because the air is coming from the top, basic physics is that the air, when you're sucking on your top cap to vape it, you're pulling the air upwards at quite a fast rate. So I don't think the air is actually getting to the coil enough before it's getting shooting up your top cap and into your mouth. So I don't think I don't think the coil is getting enough air. It might be, the air is just skipping the coil or skimming it or missing it. A lot of the air will be missing it. That's my opinion on why this does not have the flavour you would think it would have. So I think that's why the ring doesn't work to the full potential that they thought it would have. That's my opinion on it, or my thoughts on it. However, it is still not a bad RDA for flavour. It's nowhere near as good as the Rebirth. Nowhere near, or any of the RDAs I've got. But it's still quite a good RDA, and the flavour is not that bad. Just because it doesn't work the way they've claimed it would work, this new idea, this revolution of an idea of getting airflow over the top like that, does not mean this is a bad RDA. It still works, it just does not work to what I think they wanted it to work at. I like it. For £7.99 or £8 quid, it's a bargain. It's a bargain, and if you're looking to add to your RDAs, or you're looking to get your second RDA, maybe third RDA, get it. It's brilliant. Definitely good RDA, and a wee bargain. So there you go, guys. That's been the Hugsvape Ring Lord. I'm going to see you the next time at hopefully a live bargain vapes. Hopefully. Going to try and get that organised soon. Otherwise, it may be a review. Maybe some juice review. I'm expecting to do some juice reviews with Munchkin, my oldest daughter, again soon. But we'll get something organised. The channel probably won't be as busy as I would like it to be, simply because of the time. I don't have the time with the schools being off and me being a stay-at-home dad, while Mrs. Skint is out working her wee butt off, working in the community with the elderly. I'm staying at home and looking after the kiddie winkles. However, that's we'll get something organised, and we'll be back again pretty soon. Thank you for watching. I've been the Skint Vapor once again, and yous have been absolutely brilliant for viewing, subscribing, liking, and commenting in the videos. Brilliant. Share your opinions, share your thoughts, please share any bargains you've got on the Skint Vapor Facebook group, on the Skint Vapor website, anywhere. Share the bargains in the comments here. Give me a comment if you've found any bargains, if you think this is great, if you think this is shit. Tell us. Give your opinion. And hopefully when we do the idea being that when we do the bargain vapes lives, that you'll be able to give your opinion as I'm sharing the bargains, which will be good for other viewers and myself. Anyway, it will stop me buying shit, and it will stop other people buying shit. So until next time, take it easy, relax, have fun, and stay in the house. See you later, guys.